Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, August 23rd. We got just a couple economic items here on the docket. So we'll start with the market PMI flash for the month of August. So we usually get a couple readings of this, and this is the initial one. So a previous reading last month was 52.9. Anything above 50 is considered expansion. So obviously we're just above the expansion criteria here, but it did come back a little bit in the month of August to 52.7 or 52.1, so not the greatest number right there. So let's take a look here at new home sales. However, we got good news here. We had 582,000 new home sales in the month of June, and forecast was supposed to dip a little bit in July. It actually went upwards to 654,000. So really out of the blue jump spike there in the month of July for new home sales. We had a pretty good month overall for even existing home sales and stuff like that for July. So real estate's been kind of leading the GDP numbers, kind of helping the GDP numbers stay above float here. So that's been the one good thing about our economy is real estate's been doing real well. Right now, the stock market's up as they really like that new home sales there, but they also had some positive manufacturing numbers out of the Eurozone. So like ours, we had their flash PMI here. They had their flash numbers over there, and it came in like around 53, just over 53, so a little bit better than our numbers, especially on the heels after the Brexit announcement back in June, that they're still able to maintain themselves over there. So they're getting a little bit more optimistic that it may not be as bad as they thought with the whole separation between Great Britain and Europe. Also, oil reversed course. It was starting to dip down a little bit. It went back upwards, and now it's about $48 per barrel. And that's on the news that, or at least speculation that Iran might go ahead and work with the cartel and cap their production at a minimum wells. Some economists don't think that will be really. Some economists don't think that's going to really play out too much because people outside the cartel may bump up their oil productions and keep it cheap. So projections for price per barrel will probably be between $45 and $50 up until maybe even next year is some of the forecasts out there. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market, and we're up about 3 basis points. But the good news is that we're kind of hovering above the 10 and 25-day moving average. So that's the good news. We're just above those right now. So pricing's about the same as where we left off yesterday. You're not going to see really much difference for pricing what we saw yesterday. But this could, if we could break above that, that gives us a whole lot of room here to get more price improvements maybe later this week. All right, folks. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.